Just like caterpillar, you can be a butterfly with this lovely stretch. Sit up and bring your feet together in front of you. Keep your back nice and long and straight. Hold onto your feet as you start to bounce your knees up and down. Slowly flap those butterfly wings. Can you flap them fast? Can you flap them slowly? Ah, perfect. Try bringing your hands up to your face. Imagine it's a flower you're smelling. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, stretch your fingers out like a flower opening. Very well done, butterflies. I mean squirrels.